Rider Bash, we back and we here with the Kraken. I did some more upgrades and modifications
and also press
to it.
This bell icon.
Yeah, I took it out for the first maiden voyage, and a couple of things went good and a couple of things went wrong. But I got a clip for y'all. Didn't leave you out, so I'm gonna roll the clip, even though I ain't like the way it went down. But it motivated me to do the modifications that the Kraken needed. So I'm gonna run the clip and then we're gonna get back and I'm gonna show you what I did.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Rider Bash, we outside with the Kraken, and today we're gonna see what this Kraken can do, aka the Bash Craft. So let me hook up and let's get started. Alright, y'all, I got some kinks I gotta work out on it, but alright, we back with the Bash Craft, the Kraken, and as you've seen in the video, the front balloon kept coming out of place because they're not one unit, they are individual balloons. So what happened was some of them would fold under the hovercraft, some of them would come up, and then it would cause the hovercraft to do a Hindu, and it wasn't a complete skirt. So I figured out and I fixed the problem. And what I did was I grabbed some of this goop. It's a flexible glue, rubber, and it bonds the rubber really good and it doesn't crack the rubber. So what I did was, let me lift this up for y'all. Give me 1 minute. All right, so when the balloons was individual units, they would go wherever they want and air would escape through the front of the cracks. So I took this goop and I glued all of them together all the way around. So now the unit is a complete skirt. So no air will escape through the cracks, nothing will happen to it. It will stay in its skirt form. And that's what I wanted, you know, from the beginning. As you've seen in the video, it was all over the place with that. But we're gonna test this right now and see how the balloons and the glue hold up and see if the skirt contains and the balloons don't titty out, don't
Stop it. Get some help.
Go all over the place. So let me get the batteries hooked up and we're gonna lift it up. And also, before I do that, I forgot there's another modification I'm gonna do before we lift the skirt. I got some of this sail. I'm gonna put it around so it'll keep these brackets in place. so they don't move when the air goes through it. So I'm gonna make sure all the balloons are lined up properly, and then I'm gonna lay some of this around it. Rod of bash, we'll be right back. All right, I put the trimming around it, and it's holding everything in place, all of the skirt pieces, and it also seals up more air. I put one strip across right here because I had airflow coming through the top there, but later on I'll put some more epoxy across it. But for now I put the strip, and that holds the air in for now. And like I said, the skirt is glued together. It's all one unit now, so it ain't gonna balloon out all over the place. And I wanted to tell y'all something that happened when I was in here messing with this hovercraft. And you know, you have to be safe when you're doing these things. And I had the prop on, and I also used Loctite, but the prop was spinning, and I was testing the lift, and it flew off out of here so fast like a bullet, and it hit the wall behind me and left a dent in the wall. And it also broke one of the fan blades, and I'll show you the dent in the wall that it made. I mean, this thing flew off like a ninja star, and it hit the wall hard. It happened twice. The first time I didn't learn my lesson. I should have just wait until the part come in that I need. And what it is I need a longer propeller adapter shaft that's long enough to fit, because these are thick, pretty thick. These ain't your average turbines. They're really thick. So I have to get a special prop adapter for it. So I already ordered it. It's coming, but I got it fixed in a way. Hopefully it won't come off, but if it do, y'all be here to experience that with me. Okay. So we're gonna get ready to lift it and see if all the modifications made any difference. Yeah, guys, don't be like me. I went to sleep with a lipo charging.
What?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
I'm gonna hook it up, and we're gonna get it flat on the table. Oh, here goes the screw. I was looking for it when it flew off. I just found it. All right, let's hook up. Alright guys, it is doing what it's supposed to do now. Now it's truly a hovercraft. The skirt is staying together, and it's not, the air is not coming through the balloons, and it's doing what it did outside where you saw it ballooning all over the place and the balloons going in separate directions. It was not what I wanted to happen, but look, we are here now. The Kraken is modified, and I think this is a go right here. That's on hover mode. I'm not touching it. I'm not doing nothing. This is to keep you safe floating. Safe float. So if I'm in the water, it'll always be at this temperature unless I decide to drop it. If I decide to drop it, then it'll drop. You see what I'm saying? So it'll always idle at a point where it'll be hovering now. So that's a good thing for it. See, let me show you the idle. That's the idle for the float. Now I'm gonna propel it. I'm gonna lift it. First we're gonna go idle, and then I'm gonna lift. All right, y'all. Rod or bash we're gonna take this craft out again. I got a nice spot where we're gonna go, and we're gonna see how much speed we can get out of it. It has a lot of potential, and we're about to build Medusa, and you know Medusa's a double turbine, and Medusa is gonna be 6S. This is 4S we're running. This hovercraft is a 4S hovercraft. So we're gonna bump it up to 6, and we're gonna keep going up. You know how I like to do things, so that's how we doing it. Ride a bash, bash craft. We out.